Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie McQueen. If you're new here, welcome. I'd love to have you. Please hit the subscribe button and click the little bell so you don't miss any of my new uploads. Today's video is going to be a ketogenic meal that I love to make for my family and it's super easy. You will need some salmon fillets as well as Brussels sprouts. I purchased mine from the grocery store Sprouts. I love to buy the Brussels sprouts in this bulk little bag that they have. It's so nice. For those of you that have been following me for a while know that I love my Kerry Gold butter. I found a garlic and herb Kerry Gold butter, which I will be placing on top of the salmon. This is pretty much good on anything. You have to try it. It's such a delicious butter. After I add the butter, I will be adding some lemon juice. I'm just cutting the lemon here, and then I will be generously squeezing it on top of the salmon. After I season the salmon, I set it off to the side. I haven't put it in the oven yet because I plan on cooking the Brussels sprouts and salmon together. So now I am just chopping the Brussels sprouts. As you can see, my mouth is moving a lot. My daughter is having a full-blown conversation with me while I'm trying to do the video. Such is mom life. I love Brussels sprouts. They are seriously life to me, especially when you get them super crunchy. If anyone else on here loves Brussels sprouts, leave me some comments below. I'd like to know if anyone is addicted to them like I am. So I'm pretty much going to be adding the same seasonings on top of my Brussels sprouts that I did on my salmon. I am coating the Brussels sprouts with the avocado oil right now, and then I'll be adding my favorite, the Himalayan pink salt, as well as the Fox Point seasoning from Penzys spices. I am in love with Penzys spices. They have the best seasonings ever. If anybody else on here uses those, I'd love to know if you do. Leave me some comments below, and if you do, what is your favorite spices that you like to use? I'm going to be baking them in the oven at the same time for about 10-15 minutes, but keep an eye on the salmon because it will probably be done before the Brussels sprouts.